Hey Rick, this is Ryan from South Thompson RV, and I was just going to quickly show you the 205. Let's go over it real quick. So I'm sure you already know a lot of it, but right at the front there is a plexiglass window there, and that one fully opens, and it has bug and this. Now one of the cool features, and I'll just show you once around here just so you can see, every window on this unit opens. So you can get a cross breeze from any window on the unit, making it really, really great. You have a full pass through just over here. Let me open that up real quick. And you can see quite a lot of space, and you can see the construction, all welded aluminum cage frame. And it's a 6-sided aluminum structure. Another thing I want to show is just how good the clearance is underneath here. And you get a little bit of a nicer outside as well. This is where your outside kitchen goes, just along here. Tankless water. Huge awning and outdoor speakers just up there. And your outdoor shower. Now this is all Asdel construction. We'll start over in the bedroom really quick. So nice thing is tons of space here, and the mattress itself is actually, as far as a mattress goes, pretty comfortable. Pretty big too. Huge kitchen in the back, and I know you've already seen this as well. You have yourself an air fryer microwave, which you don't need to use with a generator or be in a plug-in. Huge sink. Lots and lots and lots of storage in this unit, especially for the size. The 2-person dinette, which does fold down into a bed. And then of course we got the theater seating over here. 11-foot fridge, as well as solar currently on the roof. You got your road vac over here with the kick plate. And then just the huge bathroom. And then just a couple little features I like to show off: your toothpaste holders and a huge medicine cabinet. This also comes with your fantastic fan up top, which is really good for getting the heat out real quick. Your Bluetooth speaker over here. And this does come with a TV. We unfortunately are parked in a part of town where we hide our stuff so we don't have to worry about it going missing when it comes to delivery. And then of course up on the top here, your AC. And then this I really love. I'll try and get this in a spot where you can see it. Blackout or bugs out. Really quite nice. This is all a ducted AC system as well. And what I love is if you're going into shoulder season, heated tanks. So let me know if you have any other questions there, Rick. I hope that I can talk to you soon. Have a great one.